incarceration based upon his lack of remorse and his unwillingness to take responsibility.
It's the reason for these statutes. Because you're the man who gathered all the data. You're the man who compared prices. You're the man who suggested to your superiors who should get this contract. And you're the man who had the opportunity to say, whatever those contracts would be, whatever those prices would be, I could always beat them by a few $100s, not too much, because a few $100 saves the city some money, but puts me in a position where I can make $30,000. Not an insignificant sum. And that's why we have the statutes. Because unless it's open to consideration of counsel, to some type of bid process, there's always going to be the question that Doug Johnson can always get this contract, and all future Doug Johnsons can always get this contract if they're the ones who control the gathering of the data, and at the very end can say, oh, mine will be less by $1, $100, $1,000. That's why the law is there, sir, and I'm not sure you understand it yet. But it's my purpose here, not necessarily to instruct you, but to also send a message to others in similar positions as well. Therefore, be the judge of the law sends this court that you be placed on community control sanction for a period of 3 years and the following terms and conditions. You'll be placed on a term of basic supervision. You're to obey all state and federal laws. You will not leave the state of Ohio without permission of your probation officer. You obey all orders and directions of your probation officer. You're to obtain and maintain full-time verifiable employment. You're to pay a fine on count 1 of $500. You're to pay a community control supervision fee of $720, payable $20 per month. And you serve 30 days in Lorain County Correctional Facility beginning this date.
I requested some local incarceration because when it's a public official, the public needs to understand that we do police our own and that the same rules apply. The sentencing applies the same way.